In the dim corridors of history, the Aryan Invasion Theory stands as a contentious monument.
Proposed in the 19th century, it suggests that light-skinned Aryans invaded and conquered the Indian subcontinent, shaping its culture and society. But is this theory a historical fact or a colonial construct? As we delve into the past, we uncover the layers of politics, identity, and academic debate that surround this controversial narrative. To understand the theory's impact, we must travel back to the Indus Valley civilization. Flourishing around 2500 BCE, it was one of the world's earliest urban cultures, with its own unique identity and achievements. The Aryan Invasion Theory posits that this civilization was overrun by Indo-European migrants who imposed their language and social structure. Yet, archaeological evidence suggests a more complex story. The Vedas, ancient Indian texts, are often cited in support of the invasion hypothesis. Composed in Sanskrit, these texts describe a society of chariots, horses, and warriors, seemingly distinct from the Indus Valley. Yet, the absence of decisive evidence of large-scale invasion or conquest raises questions. Could the Vedas represent indigenous evolution rather than foreign imposition? Genetic studies add another layer of intrigue. Modern DNA analysis reveals a complex tapestry of migrations and intermixing, challenging simplistic narratives of conquest. The Aryan Invasion Theory's colonial origins have fueled debates about its validity. Initially promoted to justify British rule, it suggested that Indians were historically subordinate to foreign invaders. In India, the theory's legacy is contentious, influencing national identity and cultural pride. For some, it represents a narrative of subjugation, for others, a tale of resilience and synthesis. In recent decades, scholars have increasingly questioned the invasion narrative, favoring models of cultural assimilation and internal development over simplistic invasion models. The Rigveda, a foundational text, celebrates the Sarasvati River. Yet, its geographic descriptions suggest a northwestern Indian origin, complicating the idea of an external Aryan homeland. Linguistic evidence, too, offers a nuanced picture. While Sanskrit shares roots with Indo-European languages, its evolution reflects deep ties with indigenous Dravidian tongues. The theory's impact extends beyond academia into politics and religion. It has been invoked in debates over caste, race, and national identity in modern India. For some, rejecting the invasion narrative is a reclaiming of agency, affirming a continuous and indigenous cultural evolution unbroken by foreign conquest. The theory's legacy is not confined to India alone. It has influenced global perceptions of ancient cultures and the narratives constructed around ethnic and national identities. In the West, the theory was used to draw parallels with European history, framing Aryans as a superior race with a civilizing mission, a notion steeped in racial ideologies. Critics argue that the theory reflects more about the biases of its proponents than the realities of ancient India, highlighting the need to critically assess historical narratives. Archaeological findings continue to challenge established views. The discovery of advanced urban planning and sophisticated craftsmanship in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro suggests indigenous ingenuity. The Aryan Invasion Theory's influence persists in popular culture, shaping how history is taught and understood in schools and media across the globe. As we question the veracity of this theory, we must ask, what is the true legacy of the Aryans, and how should it be integrated into the broader tapestry of Indian heritage? The theory's roots in colonial scholarship have led to calls for decolonizing historical narratives, emphasizing indigenous perspectives and voices long marginalized. In the quest for historical truth, new evidence continually emerges, reshaping our understanding of the ancient world and its complex cultural interactions. The Aryan Invasion Theory reminds us that history is not static. It evolves with each new piece of evidence and each fresh perspective, challenging us to reconsider the past. As scholars continue to debate the theory's merits, it remains a focal point for discussions on cultural identity and historical justice in India and beyond. Ultimately, the Aryan Invasion Theory is more than an academic curiosity. It is a lens through which we can explore questions of heritage, belonging, and the narratives that define us. As we peel back the layers of this theory, we uncover the rich tapestry of India's history, woven from countless threads of migration, adaptation, and innovation. The Aryan Invasion Theory challenges us to reflect on how narratives are constructed and the power they hold in shaping collective memory and identity. As we draw this exploration to a close, the question remains, how will future generations interpret the legacy of the Aryans and the history of ancient India? In re-examining the past, we are not just uncovering facts but also challenging the narratives that have long shaped our understanding of who we are. As we continue to question the Aryan invasion theory, we are reminded that history is a dynamic dialogue between the past and present, shaping the future in ways we are only beginning to understand.